Hey guys, it's me, Floated. It's the channel that runs by multiple people. But, today, I decided I'm going to be playing Madden. I'm going to be doing a 100k pro pack opening. The live auctions have been down for a bit. I'm not sure why, but I'm not sure. So let's get to the pro packs. Okay, let's marketplace. I have 101,000. So let's kick this thing off with the pro pack. Okay. Come on, give us someone good. I'm not looking. Oh. Okay. That's a bad start. Okay. Alfred Morris could possibly be sold. Never know. Alright. Let's see this. Hopefully we get something good. Okay. We might be able to do something with that. Okay, come on. I've already spent 30k on nothing. Really? Aaron Murray. That's who you give me. Really? Gosh. EA, are you freaking kidding? Come on, give me someone good already. Nothing. Man. Ugh. Tearing through these packs, Ugh. Oh, why we got anything good? Come on, begging. Oh, Tom Johnson. That could be good. Yeah, that's alright. We're down to 40k, 48k, 41k right now. And this pack opening has been horrible. Really? Oh my god. Give me something good, EA. Like, really? Man. Gosh. This is going horribly. I'm spending my money on nothing. Man, this is just going horribly. Alright, come on, EA. Give me some. Chris Clemens, that's who you decide to give me. Alright, come on. We're down to 20k. You gotta give me something good. Come on, EA. I spent too much time on that 100k, and I'm spending it on nothing. Last pack. God, EA, you're so horrible. You made me Oh my god. What a spam. I hate you, EA. What a spam. Alright, since we have, 3k, let's see if we get something good from, those beginner packs. Come on. Give something good. Yes! Oh my god. Finally. Jimmy Garoppolo. You're rated 61. Yes. Yeah. Awesome. Man, what? That was nowhere near a waste of money. Am I right, guys? Yeah. I hate you, EA. You had to ruin all that. I spent 100k and I didn't get anyone. That was just going perfect, huh? Yeah, EA. Yeah, like every time. The Falconator. I see him get like 94 rated people, while I'm sitting here with my highest player being an 81 rated road to the playoffs guy. Gosh, he even got Peyton Manning. God, this is going horrible. We don't have any money left. So, yeah. You know, what's the point of this game anymore if you're spending money on nothing? Man, I hate how people always show off on YouTube. Oh, check this out. I got 1 million coins. Yeah, I'm going to spend it all on this. And then he gets like 12 elites. Like, what? That's it. I'm done. I'm done. Bye.